You ever ask yourself, what can I actually do to overcome imposter syndrome? I get asked this question a lot, especially when it comes to people making videos. So here's your answer. You have to get more reps, but you also have to do something that many people know, but they don't want to do, which is give yourself permission to fail, to look stupid, and to make mistakes. Somewhere along the line, someone probably made you feel that you weren't good enough, or you didn't own up to the task, or whatever. And I can't bring it into therapy because I'm not a therapist, but I would say it's very, very hard to keep getting reps and not have the confidence to actually move forward. It's very, very hard. I believe repetition, intentionality, and even accountability can solve a lot of problems when it comes around imposter syndrome. Maybe not everything, but here's what I would do if I'm battling imposter syndrome when it comes to making videos. Number one, I would recognize that it's not really about me, it's about who's on the other side of this video that needs my solution. Number two, I would just literally embrace the flaws. I always talk about in my videos that I have big teeth, I'm a dark man, and I have a little gray hair and all of that. So I just embrace that. Before, I would let that stop me. What if people notice that I talk fast, that my teeth are big, that I'm dark? And it just hit me one day that maybe I can just use that as my superpower, or maybe I can just accept that this is just who I am. Could I get my teeth fixed one day if I want? But at the end of the day, it's more so about how can I get this solution out. Those two things alone, right? Number one, just allowing yourself to fail. Number two, embracing what you consider to be a flaw. Those two alone can help you. But here's the secret that I found out. There's nobody on earth who wants to really do something, lets everything stop them. So if doing the videos, making the course, selling something is what you really want to do, you're going to do it. If you're using imposter syndrome to kind of like as a decoy so people will give you like a pass not to move forward, then yeah, they will, but who are you really fooling? So overcoming imposter syndrome is possible. I believe reps, intentionality, and I believe accountability can do wonders in this area. Let me know. I could be totally wrong, but I've worked with a lot of people who've had imposter syndrome, and I realized they're not getting the reps. They're not intentional when it comes to a specific area. They're just talking about it, but they're not intentional, and they're not accountable to anybody. But let me know in the comments. What do you think?